For decades, automation companies had only one option: hire full-time engineers, pay their benefits, and hope your project pipeline stayed full. When you needed a specialist you did not have, you made dozens of phone calls trying to find someone available. It could take weeks. That was not poor planning. That was the only way to do business. Until now. Automate America has united a fragmented marketplace. We have built the infrastructure that gives you instant access to 40,000 automation professionals on demand. Need 20 robotics engineers for an out-of-state project starting next week? 5 minutes. Post the contract, get qualified applicants within hours, done. This changes everything for companies and for engineers. Let me show you how. On-demand, hourly contracts. You can now build an automation company with 0 to few full-time employees. Post hourly contracts on automateamerica.com and access seasoned professionals with verified experience and customer reviews. These engineers wear your shirts, use your email signatures, and introduce themselves as your team. Your customers see no difference, but your balance sheet absolutely does. You convert fixed costs to variable costs. No bench time, no idle engineers. You pay for productivity, not availability. We help you structure rates to protect your margins, typically 20% or better. For engineers, this is incredible. They choose their projects. They are not stuck in automotive their entire career. They work food and beverage 1 month, painting rockets for Blue Origin the next, then a telescope project in Hawaii. They build world-class, diverse skill sets across industries and technologies. They earn more because they work high-value projects continuously without employment restrictions. This is career freedom that never existed before. Contract to hire, 0 placement fees. Want to build a core team? Use our contract to hire model. Bring someone in for 3 months, evaluate their skills, work ethic, and cultural fit before making a permanent commitment. During the contract, they cost roughly what they would as a direct hire when you factor in full burden rate. After 3 months, if you want to hire them, we charge 0 placement fees. Nothing. The professional becomes yours. Traditional staffing companies charge 20% to 30% of annual salary as placement fees. We do not play that game. Our model is built on volume and relationships, not extraction. For engineers, contract to hire lets them evaluate companies too. They see the culture, the projects, the leadership before committing long-term. It protects everyone. RFQ Marketplace, turnkey projects. Sometimes you need complete automation systems designed, built, programmed, and installed as turnkey packages. Post RFQs for free on our platform. We anonymously broadcast them to hundreds of qualified automation companies. Within hours, you receive applicants from companies with the exact capabilities you need. Automate America takes 0 profit from RFQs. This is not a revenue stream. This is infrastructure we provide to strengthen the entire automation ecosystem. We connect buyers and sellers efficiently, making the whole industry more competitive. There are other companies out there who, this is their entire revenue stream. We do it for free. This saves weeks of search time and connects you with partners you never would have found otherwise. It's hard to find specialized automation companies to quote your coil-winding aerospace projects or a Netform and Pierce integration, and who specializes in flow screw drilling. Automate America connects you with these specialized companies in minutes. Direct job postings, 100% free. For key leadership roles or positions requiring deep institutional knowledge, we offer direct job postings. It is 100% free. No subscriptions, no credit card, no cost per click. Your job opening gets distributed to 40,000 qualified automation professionals actively looking for opportunities. Save 100% of the money that you are spending on job boards who deliver unqualified burger flippers. We recommend contract or contract to hire first because direct employment carries more fixed costs and risks. But when you need full-time employees, we are your complete solution. Why this matters. This operational model was impossible before Automate America. The marketplace was too fragmented. Finding contractors required endless phone calls and personal networks. The transaction costs were prohibitively high. We solved that. We built the infrastructure. And now every automation company in North America can operate with maximum flexibility and minimum fixed overhead. For companies, you scale instantly when you win projects. You scale down naturally when projects end. No layoffs, no unemployment claims, no bench time destroying margins. You can compete with anyone regardless of your size. A 3-person company using Automate America can execute projects requiring 15 full-time engineers. For engineers, you control your career. You work across industries. You choose projects that match your interests and development goals. You earn strong incomes with freedom and autonomy. You become exceptionally well-rounded instead of trapped in one employer's narrow focus. This is the professional gig economy for automation. It works for everyone. The bottom line. You have been operating under the old employment model not because it was best, but because it was the only option. You did not have a way to flex your workforce on demand. You could not find specialists in 5 minutes. You did not have access to 40,000 professionals with verified experience. Now you do. Visit automateamerica.com. Register for free. Post your first contract. Experience what it is like to operate without fixed overhead risk. Scale with confidence, knowing you can access exactly the expertise you need, exactly when you need it. Automate America. We changed what is possible in the automation industry.